It's a dead rubber, but the Reggae Boyz will be looking to breathe life into their remaining World Cup qualifiers when they take on El Salvador at the National Stadium on Thursday. Now the boys are out of contention for a place at the 2022 World Cup Finals in Qatar. After watching patiently from the bench at the start of the campaign, Javane Brown is now a mainstay among the Reggae Boyz. The former Kingston Cottage standout says he wasn't worried by being a squad member, and it has paid off for him.
I had to be patient at first, learning from the elderly players, to just put my mind to working hard and to make the right decision at the right time, not only on the field but off the field. Thanks be to God, I got an opportunity to go out there and go prove myself to the coaches, and I did it.
And it's experience like this that is needed to guide the players coming through the ranks, like schoolboy Christopher Pearson.
I just need to learn from each and every one of these players because they are world-class players. And it's a very good feeling to come here and to express myself and to see how best I can proceed.
For Tariq Ziminiz, it's a case of staying humble and continuing to work hard.
It's a great experience for me, especially my family. It's a great feeling. It's a nice start for my career.
Missing from Tuesday's training session was winger Leon Bailey.
Leon had his appointments with royalty today, so I think we could excuse him for that, but that just puts him under more pressure to go out and perform. So I said to him, you can miss training, but you have to perform. That's where you've got to perform, so I'm sure he's good enough to do that.
The Reggae Boyz are currently 7th in the 8-team table on 7 points. That's 2 behind El Salvador.